Hi guys, it's Joy. Welcome to this video. Today I have for you a 7-minute Pilates ab workout. We're going to do some core burning movements. If this is your first time, my name is Joy and I'll be your instructor during this video. We're gonna have 45 seconds on the timer and begin with cocoons. We'll be lying on our mats, slightly elevated off of our mat. And we're going to just bring our legs in, our knees at 90 degrees coming to our chest. And as we slightly extend, we're going to extend our arms outside of us. So it's just kind of like a boat pose to modified boat pose rotation. Alright, we're gonna have very short rest in between each movement. Our next movement is going to be a walking mountain pose. So we are just going to walk during these mountain climbers. Walking mountain climbers. As we bring our knees to our chest, we're gonna hold a little bit and then bring our leg back. Hold a little bit at the chest and then bring your leg back. When you bring that knee to your core, I want you to tighten as much as you can. At the same time, exhaling as we bring that knee to the core, and inhaling as you relax your leg. Okay, wonderful. Our next movement will be side planks. You guys, make sure that forearm, the elbow is in line with the shoulder. And make sure we can have our top leg slightly in front of our back leg. If you want to modify this, just like me here, bend that top leg to make it easier for you. And breathe in from your core and exhale. Wonderful. We're going to go ahead and rotate to our opposite side and do the same movement. Get in the same position. Wrist needs to be in line with the elbow. Elbow needs to be in line with the shoulder, making sure that forearm is balanced beneath you. We're going to stagger that top leg slightly in front of our bottom leg. If you need modification, again, bend that top knee and go ahead and support yourself. I want you guys to focus on pushing up from that oblique that is closest to the floor. Maintain your focus. Divide the pressure evenly between your core and your forearm. Alright, the next thing we're gonna do, you guys, are oblique crunches. We're gonna do our standard crunch or sit-up, but we're going to do some Russian twist as we come up. So just going to be rotating from left to right, and as we go down, we're going to have the same rotation. Come up, Russian twist to the top of your sit-up, and then as you decline, you're gonna Russian twist back down to the mat. we're going to get in position to do some Indian push-ups. If this is your first time doing these, I really love this position. I love this movement. We're going to start from upward facing dog and rotate into a downward dog. As we are coming into downward dog, I want you to contract those abs. Inhale an upward dog, exhale contracting your abs into downward dog. Very good. Alright, you guys, take a little bit of a stretch here. We're going to prepare to go into mountain climbers. This time we will do our standard mountain climbers with a running movement to pace yourselves. Have your steady breath. Inhale and exhale with each rotation. Alright, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for sticking with me to the end. I appreciate it very much. Hope to see you soon on another video, but until then, you guys, stay well, stay healthy, and I'll be here to support you through your fitness journey. Have a beautiful day. Bye.